Hello everyone, and welcome back to Drug Insight Hub, where we simplify medicine and make drug information easy to understand. If you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, because today's topic is a big one, and it's something that could change how we treat high blood pressure. We're diving into Widaplik, a brand new triple combination pill that just got approved by the FDA in June 2025. This medication brings together amlodipine, indapamide, and telmisartan into one easy-to-take tablet for managing hypertension. It's not just another blood pressure pill, it's a breakthrough that's changing the game. So sit back, relax, and let's explore why Widaplik is such a big deal, and what it means for patients, families, and the future of heart health. High blood pressure, also known as hypertension, isn't just common. It's one of the most widespread and silent threats to global health. In the United States alone, nearly half of adults live with it. Worldwide, over 1 billion people deal with high blood pressure every day. It might not cause symptoms at first, but over time it quietly damages blood vessels, increases the risk of stroke, leads to heart failure, and shortens lives. It's a slow-moving storm that can hit hard if not managed properly. Many people living with hypertension need more than one medication to get their blood pressure under control. That's not surprising. High blood pressure is rarely about one single issue. It can be caused by stiff arteries, hormone imbalances, kidney problems, or too much salt and fluid in the body. So it makes sense that a single medicine might not be enough. But here's the challenge. Taking multiple pills every day can be confusing. Some are taken in the morning, some at night. Some need to be taken with food, others without. People forget, skip, or stop taking them altogether. And when medication routines fall apart, blood pressure control goes with it. That's the problem Widaplik was made to solve. A Widaplik is a single pill combination of 3 powerful antihypertensive drugs: telmisartan, amlodipine, and indapamide. What makes this special isn't just the combination. It's how it's designed to target 3 different causes of high blood pressure at the same time in one pill, taken once daily. Let's break it down. Telmisartan is an angiotensin receptor blocker. It blocks a hormone that tightens blood vessels. When this hormone is blocked, the vessels relax, blood flows more freely, and blood pressure drops. Amlodipine is a calcium channel blocker. It stops calcium from entering the muscle walls of your blood vessels. Without calcium, the vessels stay relaxed and open, reducing resistance and easing blood flow. Indapamide is a thiazide-like diuretic. It helps your body eliminate excess salt and water through urine. This reduces the amount of fluid the heart has to pump, which, in turn, lowers pressure inside the blood vessels. Each of these drugs has its own mechanism, but together they form a strong synergistic team. The beauty of Widaplik is that it doesn't just stack medications. It combines them in carefully optimized doses so that they support each other. This means, lower side effects and better results. What makes Widaplik different from other combinations already on the market? Here's the key. It's the first triple combination blood pressure pill approved by the FDA as a first-line therapy. That means doctors don't have to wait until other treatments fail. They can start patients on Widaplik right away, especially if someone is likely to need more than one medicine from the beginning. This reflects a major shift in how we approach high blood pressure treatment. Instead of starting with a single drug and adding more over time, current guidelines now support starting with combination therapy if the patient's blood pressure is more than 20 over 10 millimeters of mercury above their target. This can lead to faster control, fewer complications, and better long-term outcomes. And Widaplik answers that call perfectly. It simplifies treatment and improves adherence by putting everything into one daily tablet. Widaplik isn't just theory, it's backed by strong clinical trials that prove it works. In a pivotal Phase 3 study, people taking Widaplik showed a greater reduction in systolic blood pressure compared to those on just 2 drug combinations. Whether compared to telmisartan plus amlodipine, telmisartan plus indapamide, or amlodipine plus indapamide, Widaplik delivered better results. Another trial showed that after just 4 weeks, People taking Widaplik had significantly lower home blood pressure readings than those taking a placebo. And, these benefits were not only statistically significant, they were clinically meaningful. Patients reached their target blood pressure faster and with better consistency. These results echo findings from earlier studies like the TRIUMPH trial, which looked at triple combination therapy in different settings. Time and again, this approach has proven to be safe, effective, and more efficient at getting blood pressure under control. Let's talk safety. All medications have potential side effects, but the good news is that Widaplik has been very well tolerated in studies. The most common side effect reported was dizziness or lightheadedness, especially in the first few days of treatment. That's usually a sign that the blood pressure is coming down quickly, and it often resolves on its own. Some patients may also experience mild electrolyte changes like low potassium or sodium levels. That's mostly linked to the diuretic component, indapamide. Your doctor may check your blood tests occasionally to monitor this. Other possible symptoms include tiredness, dry cough, or mild swelling in the legs. Again, these are manageable and usually mild. And because the doses of each drug in Widaplik are balanced, the chance of side effects is actually lower than if you were taking higher doses of one drug alone. One very important point: Widaplik is not safe during pregnancy. If you are pregnant, trying to get pregnant, or think you might be, it's essential to tell your doctor right away. Telmisartan, in particular, can cause serious harm to an unborn baby. People with severe kidney problems or very low blood volume should also be cautious. Regular checkups and blood pressure monitoring are key. If you're taking NSAIDs, lithium, digoxin, or some cholesterol medications, your provider may want to adjust or monitor your medications more closely to avoid interactions. For patients, the biggest benefit of Widaplik is simplicity. Instead of taking 3 pills each day, possibly at different times, you take just one. That's easier to remember, less stressful, and improves the chance that people will stick with their treatment. But it's not just about convenience. Widaplik offers stronger control of blood pressure, right from the start. That means a reduced risk of heart attacks, strokes, and hospital visits. It also means fewer visits to adjust medications, fewer dosage changes, and a smoother treatment journey. And it fits beautifully with modern guidelines. Experts around the world now support fixed-dose combinations, especially when multiple medications are likely to be needed. Widaplik is the first triple therapy to fully meet this recommendation and come to market with strong clinical backing. For doctors, it's one more option in the toolbox: flexible, efficient, and grounded in evidence. For patients, it's a big step toward better health without the burden of multiple pills. Widaplik was approved in the United States in June 2025, and commercial availability is expected by the end of the year. It will launch in phases with a full rollout planned across pharmacies soon after. The company behind Widaplik has also announced plans to file for approval in other countries. That means people around the world could benefit from this innovation in the near future. Additional studies are also underway to see whether Widaplik can help in specific populations, like those at high risk for stroke or people with diabetes and high blood pressure together. The research is ongoing, and the possibilities are exciting. If you or someone you love is living with high blood pressure, Widaplik may be something to discuss with your healthcare provider. Not everyone will need 3 medications right away, but for those who do, this new triple therapy can be a safe and powerful option. Always work closely with your doctor to find the best treatment plan for you. They'll take into account your medical history, other conditions, current medications, and lifestyle before deciding what's right. But knowing your options, like Widaplik, helps you become an active, informed part of your own care. That's what we're all about here on Drug Insight Hub, making medicine make sense. So there you have it. Widaplik, the first triple combination pill for high blood pressure that's approved to be used right from the beginning. It's smart, it's simple, and it's supported by strong science. At Drug Insight Hub, we believe in breaking down complicated science into helpful, clear, and friendly conversations that empower you to take control of your health. If you learned something new today, go ahead and give this video a like, share it with someone who needs to hear this, and hit that subscribe button so you never miss an update on new medications and drug discoveries. Drop your questions or thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. Have you been on a combo therapy before? What's your experience like? Let's talk. Until next time, stay well, stay informed, and keep taking those small steps toward a healthier tomorrow. This is Drug Insight Hub, signing off with gratitude and a whole lot of heart. Take care and see you soon.